Okay guys, Daryl here doing another Riddler 99 box break. This is a box of 2011-2012 Panini Contenders. Tonight on eBay, that'll be February 4th between 10 and 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It wasn't that well received actually. It's kind of odd. Contenders usually does pretty well, but it doesn't look like people are interested anymore. This is box 2 out of 14 from a sealed case. Yeah, so hopefully we'll get our booklet one of these days here. We had one out of the last case. The last team that ended was Winnipeg Jets, ended at 10:29 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Current time is 10:58 Eastern Standard Time. Sorry about that. About 30 minutes after the last auction ended. Serial number you can see at the bottom. There's NE 181-201-985. NE 181-201-985. If you're standing on your head and 1080p on YouTube in full screen, you'll read that no problem. This is, of course, a sealed box of Contenders. Everything that comes out of this box tonight will be shipped tomorrow. So if you get hits, it will be in the mail tomorrow. Well, thank everybody in advance for participating in the break, and wish everybody good luck. I'm going to rip through these as fast as I possibly can, because otherwise it will make for a long video, as it is a pretty big box here. Base cards are not shipped with this break, but as all you know, I do send out little bonus packs in your envelopes to bring your weight up to 100 grams with Canada Post. They are unsorted and they're not by team, though. Oh, you have a nice hit right off the start, guys. Logan Couture, Danny Briere, Shea Weber. Oh, maybe not that nice, but I thought it was nicer. Mark Caddick for the Islanders, but still not a bad player. Number 30 out of 100. Calder Contenders. Non-auto, non-patch. If we get the focus to kick in, that'd be great. Wow, that autofocus really isn't working in our favor right now. Alright, guys. Worth a try there on the autofocus. Lidstrom, Marchand. I'll try again at the end if possible. Commodore, Boyle, Reamer, Decoy, Erickson, Gabrick. Datsuk, Miller, Cup Contenders out of 999, Claude Giroux. I got that one focused. Decoy, Thornton, and Backes. Feels interesting. Pierangelo, Spezza, Duchesne, Decoy, Jonathan Toews, and Tyler Myers. Pacioretty, Stewart, Redemption, NHL Inc. Duels, good one to get. Matt Reed and Sean Couturier, not too bad. Philadelphia Flyers. Decoy, Heatley, and Luke Adam. Richards, Montoya, Pierre-Marc Bouchard, Decoy, Marc-Andre Fleury, and Andre Pavlik. Kopitar, Ginla, Hall, Decoy, Sedin, and Keith. Tavares, Crawford, Solani, Decoy, Theodore, and Grabowski. Green, Subban, Chara, Decoy, Ray Whitney, Daniel Sedin. Milan Lucic, Jimmy Howard, another redemption. They usually don't get this many. Calder Contenders signatures, Eric Goodbranson, Florida Panthers. Decoy, Happy Boulin, and Eric Stahl. Corey Perry, Yager, Cup Contenders out of 999. Washington Capitals, Thomas Vokoun, number 3 out of 999. Decoy, Kessler, and Oshie. Martin St. Louis, Alshemsky, Henrik Zetterberg, Decoy, Price, and Kane. Brodeur, Callahan, Kessel, Decoy, Anderson, and Ovechkin. Hiller, Ward, Skinner, Decoy, Varlamov, and Eberle. Alfredson, Kiprusoff, Stamkos, Decoy, Malkin, and Giroux. Pavelski, Carter, NHL Inc., John Moore, Columbus Blue Jackets. Decoy, Jimmy Benn, and Tim Thomas. Carlson, Brown, Antropov, Decoy, Luongo, and Stahl. Final pack. Good luck, everybody. Mike Smith, Ryan Smith, Luke Adam out of 100. Parallel. Looks like number 2 out of 100. Buffalo Sabres. Decoy, Gionta, and Lettman. So that's it for the box of contenders. I want to thank everybody for participating in the break. And yeah, I have another one going tomorrow night if you're interested. I have 6 breaks tomorrow with Zenith, Prime, SP Authentic, Titanium, SPX, and Contenders. If anybody's interested in doing a case break of 12-13 Limited, let me know. Have a good one, everybody.